Good morning to everyone at today's public hearing of the Vetting Commission established under Law Number 65 of the year 2023. That law concerns the external evaluation of judges and candidates for judges of the Supreme Court of Justice. I'm Scott Bales, the chair of the commission, and I declare this session open. The hearing is being conducted under both Law 65 and under the commission's rules of organization and functioning. The subject of today's hearing is Iurie Chirica, a candidate for the position of judge at the Supreme Court of Justice. Mr. Chirica is a lawyer at the associated law firm, Chirica and Partners. Mr. Chirica, welcome.
Gentlemen, da, bine v-am găsit.
Good to be here.
I'm joined by 5 other commission members. To my right are Vice Chair Andre Bevo and commission members Willem Brouwer and Lillian Ansu. To my left are commission members Lavle Perry and Yuri Gatskin. The commission is also assisted by members of its secretariat, and you may also see in the room some members of the public or possibly the media. The photographer will take pictures just briefly at the start of the session. The hearing is being conducted with interpretation between Romanian and English. To allow for accurate interpretation, I ask that everyone speak slowly and clearly. Furthermore, the proceedings are being recorded. The recordings of the Commission's public hearings generally will be available online at the Commission's website, www.vettingmd.eu, within 3 days after the hearing. I will start by briefly reviewing the evaluation process for Mr. Chirica. The Commission initiated its evaluation on the 7th of November last year by notifying Mr. Chirica by email and asking him to complete and return an ethics questionnaire and the financial declarations required by Law Number 65. He returned the completed declarations and questionnaire on the 17th of November. As part of evaluating a subject's ethical and financial integrity, the Commission also obtains information from many other sources, such as the National Integrity Authority, the State Fiscal Service, the General Inspector of the Border Police, other public institutions, financial institutions, and open sources. The Commission assesses the information it obtains for its relevance and reliability. Over the months March and April, we asked Mr. Chirica 2 rounds of questions to clarify certain matters. He provided answers and information in response. On May 30th of this year, we notified Mr. Chirica that the Commission had finalized its investigation and had not identified any areas of doubt about his compliance with the ethical and financial criteria. We also invited him to attend today's hearing. On May 30th, Mr. Chirica requested access to the evaluation materials. He was provided access by the Secretariat. According to Article 24, Paragraph 3 of the Commission's rules, if the Commission, based on the information it has collected and reviewed, does not have doubts about the subject's compliance with the integrity criteria, it shall send the subject a written notice and set a hearing, at least 10 days after the notice, where it will ask the subject to confirm the accuracy of the information provided by the subject, and it will announce that, absent its receipt of new information, it will adopt an evaluation report containing a proposal for promotion. Mr. Chirica, do you wish to make any corrections or additions to the answers you have provided to the Commission's previous request for information?
I have already provided all the information that I had, all the documentation that I had, and I have nothing to add to share with you now. I was open, honest, and I've answered all of the questions.
Are the answers that you provided to the Commission and the information that you provided in the 5-year declaration and the ethics questionnaire that you returned last November still accurate as of today?
Yes, nothing has changed.
Mr. Chirica, is there anything you would like to say before we conclude the hearing? Would you like to make a statement or tell the Commission anything?
First of all, I would like to thank you for the investigations you have clarified. I do have found out some information about the members of my family, and, well, as a matter of principle, I've known that, but I am happy that we managed to collaborate like this, to work together like this with the Commission. There is nothing additional for me to state now, and I just continue to hope to do proper justice to this profession of a lawyer, regardless of who I end up becoming. I want to do my profession honorably. That's all. Thank you.
Well, we have come to the end of today's hearing. Mr. Chirica, thank you again for your submissions and answers to the Commission's questions. After the hearing, the Commission will approve an evaluation report stating its conclusion whether the subject meets the criteria for ethical and financial integrity under Law Number 65. The Commission will strive to complete its report and announce its conclusion as soon as possible. It generally seeks to do so within a month after a subject's public hearing. Today's hearing is now closed, and the Commission will adjourn until its next hearing at 11 a.m. Thank you and good day.